Hey guys, who's excited for the holidays? Over the past few days, I have been pulling out all of my Christmas decorations and getting them set up and filming little clips of me along the way that I'm excited to share with you in today's video. So get cozy, and I really hope that this video puts you in the festive spirit and maybe gets you excited to start decorating for the holidays. I just really love this time of year. And I'm wiping off my stove. I actually got the Mrs. Meyer's Snowberry countertop spray, and at first I didn't like it, but it's sort of growing on me. It's a tad on the perfumey side, but anyways. Yeah, I'm just wiping down my stove and countertops in preparation for later on in this video. I'm going to make a purple carrot meal for dinner. I absolutely love purple carrot. They're a plant-based meal delivery service that I get usually about once a month. And it's really been the highlight of my year so far. I just relish the recipes that come in the meal kit and make them over and over again. Thank you, Purple Carrot, for sponsoring a portion of today's video. You guys, click the link in my description box. You can get $30 off of your first Purple Carrot order. With the holidays, this time of year can become really chaotic between parties and different social obligations, and your meals can be disrupted. It can be really hard to stick on a healthy eating routine, so Purple Carrot makes that easy. So you will see throughout the course of this video that I end up vacuuming multiple times. I vacuumed, and then honestly wait till the end of your decorating to vacuum, because even if you don't have anything with glitter on it, somehow glitter makes an appearance all over the floor inevitably when it comes to Christmas decorating and tinsel and whatnot. So yeah, I mean, I like starting with a clean slate, so that's why I did this, but it's kind of a waste of time. And I know it's odd, I still have the tag on my vacuum cleaner. Don't ask me what that's about. As a matter of fact, as I'm watching myself here, I've kind of just come to realize that I still have the tag on my vacuum cleaner. Now, I know what you're thinking. What is that, a dead body she has in there? It kind of looks like a body bag. No, it's my Christmas tree. That is a storage bag from Costco. They sell them, so I totally recommend that bag. It's quite good, and I kept it out in my storage closet outside all year, and it kept the tree nicely preserved. I have this white tree I got last year from Jocelyn, Maine. It's pre-lit, but it's really itchy to do the fluffing. I should have worn like long sleeves while I was doing this, because I ended up getting kind of itchy from the tree boughs. Fluffing is one of those things you need multiple days to do of your artificial tree. Spending time just fluffing the limbs, it makes a huge difference. So you'll see that this video was filmed over multiple days, just to give the tree time to expand. Had to make sure the lights still worked. And they do. I ordered these pillowcase covers from Amazon. I learned this tip from Casey Holmes watching her Vlogmas a few years ago. She was like, don't buy Christmas pillows. They're so expensive. Just buy the pillowcases and change out to the pillows that you already have. Such a genius money-saving, space-saving tip. Yeah, I mean, those little pillows at Home Goods are like $30. And the pillowcases, 2 pillowcases, I think, were like $12. I'm not sure. I got them on Amazon. They have a variety of them. I got these this garland at Ross, and I'm kind of going for a winter woodland appearance, mostly because I want to push it into January. I got this cute swag at Ross as well. It kind of has pine cones. You'll see it up close later. And then I made this festive little joy tray using the LED lamps that I got from Costco. I decided to hang up some wreaths inside. A few years ago, I had a beautiful wreath on my door, and some, I don't know, prankster stole it, and I was so upset. So I'm a little nervous to put anything I care about out on my door. It's unfortunate that people are that way, but anyways. You'll recall I colored these in last year from a coloring book, so I'm just rehanging them here. Yeah, I decided to do a little gallery wall of festivity coming in. And speaking of Ross, I got this cute light up tree from Ross. So I'm just putting batteries in. The brand is, it's actually by FAO Schwartz, the toy store. So I wanted to create a festive little backdrop for, this is typically where I do my coffee in the morning. So I thought of you guys when I was putting this together that you would enjoy seeing that throughout the month of December. And I have this cute countdown to Christmas little truck, and then these napkins I got a few years ago that I don't actually use. They're just decorative. So here I am another day, of course, fluffing the tree, and I bought these little twigs this year to kind of fill in some space. Back in my kitchen, I'm just setting up my little French press and filling up my festive soap dispenser that I got at, I got this at Home Goods actually. It is Ray Dunn, but I'm going to keep it out all year. Back to fluffing the tree. I got a new tree skirt this year at that Dirt Cheap store. You guys, if you have a Dirt Cheap in your area, you've got to check it out. Yeah, this skirt was really inexpensive. It's the Hearth and Hand brand that is typically on the pricier side at Target. Here I am another day putting my ornaments on. This is a Saturday morning, and I'm getting more festive now with my outfits. I've got my Santa shirt on. Even though it's creeping into December, it's still shorts and t-shirt weather in Texas. So yeah. I also got from Hearth and Hand this cute Afghan throw that I'm going to use on my other chair. And I'm wearing antlers. These are some LED lights I got at Costco. I'm just going to put along the baseboards. So you guys know I collect dolls, and I have a special place in my heart for Blythe dolls. This is my Blythe doll, Margot. I got her a few years ago. If you're not familiar with Blythe dolls, they are a Japanese doll by the company Takara, and they are just so neat and so fun. Yeah, you can really go down the rabbit hole of customization for these Blythe dolls on Etsy. There's so many fantastic artists on Etsy who get so creative and down to just so many fascinating details with these dolls and the different outfits. But just the dolls themselves come with so many great little pieces, like their shoes, their socks, which are all removable. I mean, the detailing is amazing. The best part is their eyes. They have a mechanism where their eyes change direction and color with their pull cord. So yeah, I love my Blythe doll. I named her Margot, and her purpose is saving the animals. She has a little safari cap. But like I said, you can get outfits on Etsy. So I got this adorable Christmas outfit for her that I'm going to put her in from a seller in Thailand who makes the most amazing Blythe doll outfits. And she also makes some other outfits for other dolls. So yeah, I put her in this cute little dress with a little cape, and I just love the detailing on the sleeves with the little lace, and I tied her hair back in more of a low ponytail. So yeah, I just love her. She has a little bit of attitude and a little bit of sass and a lot of fashion sense. So yeah, Blythe dolls are a lot of fun. They actually come in 3 different sizes: Neo, Midi, and Mini, and my Blythe doll is a Neo Blythe doll. So yeah, and mine is an authentic Takara one, but they have a lot of imposters online, so do your research. Anyways, switching gears, I'm going to start making dinner, this delicious purple carrot meal. Like I said, purple carrot makes it so easy to get healthy plant-based recipes delivered to your door. On this particular evening, I'm making a Vietnamese tofu salad that was fantastic. I have learned so many tips and tricks for preparing not only tofu and tempeh, but a variety of other plant-based meals that I never knew before. It really is a lot of fun and a treat, something I look forward to getting. And it's really nice. It comes with everything that you need, nothing more, nothing less. All of the meals are 100% plant-based, so it makes it really easy and takes the guesswork out of it if you follow a vegan diet like I do. You can choose between a 2-serving plan, which is what I do, or a 6-serving plan. You get 2 unique plant-based meals with each kit. You can even do add-ons and get healthy breakfasts and lunches, and those two are really delicious. Like I said, this is a great idea to try out this time of year because meals can become disrupted, what with holiday parties and social obligations, and your regular eating may be off. You may be eating in restaurants a lot more. So knowing that you have a healthy, plant-based, easy to follow recipe that you can do really quickly, it's just something that can kind of keep you on track with eating healthy throughout the holidays, and it's something to look forward to. The meals are restaurant quality and everything has been fantastic. I totally recommend it. I know you guys are going to love it. So check the link in my description box. Like I said, you can get $30 off your first purple carrot meal. So moving into the final decor tour, just starting out when you come in, I have that cute little snowman decor, and then I hung up this heart that I got a few years ago, and I just added that cute little angel to it that a viewer sent me. Then coming in, you can see my gallery wall here, and I've got my lights on the bottom. And here I just have a few little things. This a viewer sent me from Australia and I've really treasured it. I wanted to hang it up last year but didn't quite know how, and I just think it looks dandy. It is the Australian 12 Days of Christmas. So I just hung it up there on a dowel that I got at the craft store. You guys may recognize my joy sign. I typically put that up in my kitchen. And then over here, a viewer sent this to me last year and I just love it. It has some of my favorite sunscreens all decorated out for the holidays, and as I said, I think in the beginning of the video, you may remember last year I colored in these pictures from a coloring book, an adult coloring book, and I just framed them in some inexpensive IKEA frames. And you may be wondering why I put this one so low here. It's because I have this hideous air conditioning controller that I was trying to cover up, and it hides it nicely. So anyways, coming into my living room, I just have my little Thai Beanie Baby snowman there smiling at me, and there's my new throw on my chair, and of course my RSPCA pillow that I use as kind of a lap pillow, a lap desk, and then my tree all decorated. And then I'm really happy with how the garland came out on top of my windows there, and my little joy tray with the LED candles. These come with a remote, so you can control them, and they'll either do steady or flicker. And then I have the cute little trees in the background. And of course my swag there on the door. I may try and hang that a little bit lower, we'll see, but I think it looks nice. And my pillows. And I did in fact put the LED lights the entire way around my living room here. My other wreath. And then moving into the kitchen here on my countertop, I just put these festive snowflake placemats that I got in Alabama, and instead of napkins I just have these cloth gift bags. They kind of look like napkins. Rather than buying those decorative napkins, I just kind of repurposed the little gift bags, and that way I don't have to buy something new. They kind of go, and you can't really tell unless you look very carefully that they're gift bags. And then I just have these cute coasters that a viewer sent me that I love this one. It says, "Life is a mixture of magic and coffee," so you guys know that suits me to a T. And here's my kitchen inside. You can see I kind of go with the red truck theme that I've always loved. I can't believe it is already the last page of my Erin Condren desk calendar. I chose to tear it out and put it up here on the fridge, and I decorated it with stickers for the different days this month. The first day of winter, as if it will snow here. But yeah, and then I need another present sticker for the 8th night of Hanukkah, but over here I have my little French press station with a festive candle and some snowman matches that I got in my stocking last year. My little red truck pot holders and matching towels. And then I have a little oven mitt there and my countertop spray at the ready. And the Christmas countdown. As of the editing of this video, we are 32 days away from Christmas. It's coming. And in here by my desk, I went ahead and set up my Yes Style Beauty Advent calendar. I can't wait to open that with you guys. And there's Margot up on her shelf with her tree. I got that at IKEA. I also brought out 2 of my Madame Alexander dolls and put them up with my little Hallmark Nutcracker display. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to December and going through this Advent calendar with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my Christmas decorate with me. Thank you, Purple Carrot, for sponsoring a portion of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.